Thank you very much. You are welcome to this lecture. And under this lecture, I'll be showing you how you can arrange the body, text, and paragraphs of your book manuscript properly. Now, as you can see, just like I told you, you can see the show hide button. This is showing too much space, which are not necessary for your books. Now, you can see I don't have to do anything about the book title page. That is already properly arranged. Now, what you need to do is to remove this. Can I highlight it? Highlight this space, I don't need it. Take it away. You can see it has been removed. Now, you don't need a lot of space as you format your books for the various e-publishing platforms. You can see I have book text next. I don't want it to show up in the table of contents, but I can still highlight it and make it bold. Now I can also bring that closer to it. Now you can see there are still some other space here. You highlight, take them away. Now what do I have? I also have another that's praise for some of our Bible. So I'll just do the same thing, just like I did to the book text. Just make it bold. Now close up the space again. Now you can see this is closer to the chapter to praise for the testimonials that I have. Chapter 1 is closer. When you format your book for the various e-publishing platforms, you don't need to start a new chapter on a new page. It's not necessary. You are formatting your books for the various e-reading devices, so it's not necessary you start a new chapter on the next page. Now you can see chapter 1 is very close to the last content under the testimonials for our books. Now you can just go ahead to check out for space. Check out for space. You can see I don't have any unnecessary space. Now what I want you to do, what you should do understand, because you are formatting for readers who use e-reading devices, you can always break up long paragraphs. You may do that and you may decide not to do that. It won't stop the acceptance of your book from the various e-publishing platforms. You can see I don't really have so much space here. Now I can go ahead to look for, I have space here. I can just close up the space again and I look down. Now this note, I can do something about it. I can make it bold. Now you can see I have a link here. In the next lecture I'll be showing you how you can include links properly in your book management. Now I have space here. Now I need to highlight them and close them up again. Close them up again. The space are not necessary. Now you can now let me. Now you can see being able to close up the space. Chapter 2. I can still close up this. Now you go down. My subtitle. Close it up. Now subtitle, I close up the space again. Now another subtitle, close up the space again. Another subtitle, close up the space again. Now let me just do something about this. Now it's like checking your documents all over again. Now this is the unnecessary space. Another unnecessary space. Close up the space. Close the space again. Unnecessary. Now I will leave you to continue to do that. Just do that throughout the body of your document. Close up every unnecessary space, and let me just do one more. Now, no, that's not necessary. Now, close up the space. Now, close this up again. Now, I will leave you to experiment with this. I will need to do this all through your book. Just make sure you close up the space, and that is the reason why you have the show hide button. They will always show you where you have unnecessary space, so that you can have a compact and a proper body section of your book manuscript. Thank you very much. I'll be expecting your participation in the next lecture. Thank you very much.